How many apostles were there? 12, right? Not so fast. Because we know for a fact that Paul was an apostle, and that's 13 right there. But he doesn't count, you might say. Okay, whatever. But we also know that Jesus was an apostle, because Hebrews 3:1 says Jesus was the apostle of our faith. So, yeah, but okay, Jesus doesn't count either. That's fine. But how about this one? In Acts 14:14, it says that when the apostles plural, Paul and Barnabas heard of it. That speaks of Barnabas as being an apostle. I bet you didn't know about that one, because that makes 15 apostles now. Jesus, Paul, and Barnabas, plus the other 12. But wait, there's more, because we also know that in Philippians 2:25, Paul speaks of sending Epaphroditus to people, calling him your apostle. That's like 16. But then we have John the Baptist, because in John 1:6 it says, there was a man sent from God whose name was John. Now that word sent there is literally the Greek word apostolos, from which we get our word apostle. It was borrowed right out of the Greek, and it means one sent, in English as well as in Greek. What it meant was that John had been apostled by God to baptize, in exactly the same way that Paul had been apostled by God to teach the Gentiles, because whoever had been sent by God was an apostle. So there was at least 17 distinct apostles in the New Testament, most of which no one knows about. And now you know why in Revelation 2:2, God praises those who tried those who said they were apostles and were not, and found them to be liars, because a lot of people claimed to be sent by God, and most of them weren't, but more than 12 were. So keep an eye out for false apostles on your own, because they're still around today.